Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube. Today we're talking about the Alemite 555 and what you get when you buy one from us here at LockNLube. Now the Alemite 500 series is known for its quality. Between the 500 and the 555, the 586, they're great grease guns, they're durable, they're high quality. And with the 555, you're going to get a pistol grip grease gun, but you're going to get two volumes. You're going to get a pressure mode and a volume mode. Now when it's down in the pressure mode like this, it's going to put out about 7,500 psi. And when you go up to the volume mode, you're going to lose a little bit of pressure, but you will gain volume. And this is going to behave much closer to the volume you'd get using a lever gun. So closer to an ounce of grease every 30 to 35 strokes. Now when you buy one of these guns from LockNLube, we're going to include an inline hose swivel. Now that swivel allows this hose to spin freely without having to rotate the grease gun. The reason we do that is because when you're using the LockNLube grease coupler, you care where your thumb is. You may want it there, you may want it there, and this gives you full freedom of motion without having to move the grease gun at all. Now, of course, we include the LockNLube grease coupler, and we also include a free rebuild kit for the coupler. So not only are you getting a high-quality pistol grip grease gun, you're going to get a swivel, the LockNLube grease coupler, and the spare rebuild kit. For more information, visit LockNLube.com.